you. So today we are still on arc length, arc sector. What do I want to say? We have already started a little bit on our radian mode questions, correct not? But I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Hello, Rian. Thanks for owning your video. Okay, but today let's cover these two last question on degree first. That was our homework, question 5 and question 7. Did anyone try? No? Thanks, Dancer. Did anyone try? Okay, come, let's take a look at this one. Whether is it in degree mode or radian mode, concept-wise, it's always the same thing one. Just that your calculator need to change, okay? This is the only chapter in your E-math that you need to keep changing your mode of your calculator. Okay, so I have a sector of a circle, center O, given that OP is 17, and the chord is a what? Random line. Okay, I want to calculate angle POR. Okay, how do I do this? So OPOR, they are the radius, correct or not? So they are going to be the same. All right, think, should I be using cosine rule or should I be using sine rule? I only got one unknown angle in there. Most probably a cosine rule, right? Because sine rule, I don't even have one pair, you see? Okay, so cosine rule, I'm gonna give you the formula that is inside the formula sheet. You're gonna help me fit it in. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. Okay, and your this part over here, remember how to apply? It must form a V-shaped angle in between. And this is the V-shaped angle in between here. All right, meaning what is my A? This 16, it's my A log. Okay, the chosen angle, the one that is opposite your chosen angle, it's always your A. Okay, so now I'm gonna fit it in. 16 square equals to 17 square plus 17 square minus 2, 17, 17 cos. This one, make sure your calculator is in what mode first? Degree mode, okay? Don't change yet. Cosine, AA, I don't know, right? So I'll just leave it as theta. Okay. Slowly, help me do the algebraic manipulation. Help me slowly shift. Okay, so take note, this is one term, and one term, one whole term by itself. So I'm going to shift the 17 square over first. I'll get 16 square minus 17 square minus 17 square. And I'm going to keep this here equals to, but I'm going to press the minus 2 times 17 times 17 minus 578 cos theta. Okay, 16 square minus 17 square minus 17 square minus 322 equals to minus 578 cos theta. I now want to let the cosine theta stand alone. So this is a times. I'll take minus 322 over minus 578 equals to cos theta. I will get cos theta equals to 161 over 289. And now I want theta. Cosine inverse, please help me double check that it is in degree mode, okay? And angles rounded off to 1 dp. So this is 56.1 degree. This is my angle. Okay, but you have to write the intermediate answer there. All right. Okay, next one. They want you to find the area, the length of the arc, PQR. Length of arc means it's this one over here, right? The pizza crust, remember or not? The bread that we don't like to eat. Oh, correct? We like to eat the fillings, which is the area of sector. So we have already gotten the degree. What fraction of the pizza is this? Over what? The degree over what? What fraction of the pizza is this? The degree that I found over, anyone? Don't know what? Michaela, over what? Very good job, Rianne. That's right. Michaela, try. Over what? The whole circle, degree is what? 360, correct or not? Then I want to find the bread crust only. So I times pi d. The 17 is radius, d is 34. So press your calculator from here. So this one, just in case if you accidentally put it in radian mode, it wouldn't have any effect because there is no trigo involved in this part here. Okay, so I'll round it off to 16.7. This is cm. The bread crust is just the length only. Okay. Last one, they want the area of the shaded region. Shaded region, it's area of your whole pizza minus area of what? You cut away the top part of the bread. I only want to eat the cheese, is it? So I cut away the triangle, correct or not? So the whole area of sector first. Is it the same fraction or not? Yeah, right. It's still 56.14497 over 360. But this time I'm looking for area. Area formula, it's what? Pi r square. I get 141.5976575. This is my whole pizza, area of the whole pizza. How do I find the area of triangle? What's the formula? Rian? Yes, very good job. Somehow I understand your sign language. Half AB sine C. It is also inside your formula sheet. V-shaped angle in between. Michaela, are you okay or not? Half AB sine C. Can sure. Michaela must ask, okay? All these are big chapters. So they are important one. So I get, this one must make sure it's in degree mode. You see your sine degree. You got a sine in there. This is 119.9999946. So this is your area of triangle. Then you will take the area of your pizza, your whole sector, 141.59766 minus 119.99999. All right, I'm just being extra safe, and I'm just rounding it off to the many decimal points. 21.6 cm square, rounded off to 3 SF. Okay, I'm going to leave it here for a minute. Okay, can? Concept-wise, not too difficult, right? Okay, can I move on to question 7 from here? Can, so this is the other kind. All right, so question 7 and question 8, it's roughly the same. You see the shapes, correct not? And if you really cannot visualize, because I do have some students telling me, oh, the radius for this small one, it's 3 lor. Then you just pi 3 square lor. Oh, can or not? Cannot. Imagine we draw something like that. This radius 6 here, it does not represent anything. Okay, take note. You don't laugh. Later, you make the same mistake. Okay, I believe not lah. So you have to imagine this as a full circle drawn, big circle minus small circle. Okay, I want WOX angle here. Okay, what should I do? Concentric circles doesn't matter. What is that? The radii OW, OZ are 12 and 15 respectively. Given that the area of the shaded region is 18 pi, I want to calculate WOX. Okay, so area of the shaded is what? Big minus small. Okay, I don't have at that angle. I will just name it theta. Because that angle is being shared by the small sector, it is also shared by the big sector. All right, so it's the same theta. So now I'm going to form equation. Big one first. Theta over 360 times pi r squared. This is the big sector. Minus same theta over 360 again times pi r squared. This is the small sector. Small pizza. And the difference will give me 18 pi. This is your equation form. Can y'all see? Okay, how many unknowns do you have in there? You only have one unknown theta. Correct or not? Okay, so these are two separate terms. Okay, I'm going to simplify it out a bit first. 15 square divided by 360. I will get 5 over 8 theta pi minus 2 over 5 theta pi equals to 18 pi. And from here, do you know how I get the 5 theta over 8? I press 15 square over 360. I get 5 over 8. 12 square over 360. I get 2 over 5. Okay. From here, I'm going to factorize out my pi. And I'm going to get 18 pi. And what can I do to the pi? I can cancel it away. Okay, from here, can you help me find the value of theta? All right, 1 minute. So what is 5 over 8 minus 2 over 5? I get 9 over 40 theta equals to 18. Theta equals to 18 divided by 9 over 40. I get theta equals to 80. That's it. It's a nice number. Okay, so no decimal place. Very good. 80 degrees. Confidence boost, right? Okay, then after that, the next one, they're asking for the parameter of the shaded region. So you need to find the two separate arc length. The big arc length, the small arc length. Okay, we need to find the arc length separately. So the big arc length, which is this one first, it's 80 over 360 pi d. The small one, same, 80 over 360. This time round, my d, it's 24. Okay? Other than adding these two arc length, what else do I need to add? The two sides, correct or not? How much is the side? 3, 3, correct? Don't forget to add back your 3 and 3. Okay? Round it off to 3SF for me. Your final answer. All right? Got it. This one I get 20 over 3 pi. The pi can don't press first. Later on in the end, then I straight away press together. Then I don't have to write so many decimal points, you see. So the total I'll get 43.6991184. I'll round it off to 43.7. This is still in cm. For parameter, it's still in cm. Okay, so this is for degree, and I'm done with degree already. Okay, coming on to radian mode. Radian mode, most importantly, okay, here. Radian mode formula, it's inside your formula sheet. Okay, let's recap back again the formulas for this. Can anyone tell me 1 pi radian, it's equals to how many degrees? 1 pi radian, it's equals to how many degrees? Come, everybody send it to me on the Zoom chat. Yes, Rian, very good job. I see that. Michaela, how much is it? Denzel, how much is it? 1 pi radian, it's how many degrees? $180 degrees. Okay, next, for those who are taking A math, same. It is the same pi, it's 1 radian. 1 pi radian, it's 180. Okay, so just write that. If I want to say 2 pi radian, this is 360. And if I want 90 half pi radian, this is 90 degrees. So these are the few common numbers that you need. Okay, so length of arc, same thing. Your degree mode, it's theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Isn't your 360 equals to your 2 pi? Can you all see that? In the end, how is this formula derived? It's actually derived from here. Can you all see? It's actually derived from here. Okay, same thing for your area. Area is theta over 360 times pi r square. Theta over 360 is 2 pi times pi r square. Pi and pi cancel off. I get r square theta over 2, which I can rewrite as half r square theta. Okay, it is derived from here. Okay, but you don't need to know how it's derived. Doesn't matter. Just have to memorize it inside your formula sheet as well. Okay, this is just an explanation. All right, okay, so basically, everything is still the same. Concepts-wise, everything is the same. Just that your calculator mode, when you are dealing with radian, you have to change your calculator mode, most importantly. If not, your entire answer will be wrong. Okay, Ken? Okay, come, let's take a look at, have we done all this? Have we done practice 2? Can you all help me check? Page 7, practice 2. Done already, right? I suppose, because I'm already at the tutorial. Wait, let me see. The tutorial, have I done it? Oh, tutorial haven't. Okay, I think practice 2 I haven't do yet. Okay, can we take a look at page 7, practice 2? Practice 1 I did already, right? The chord AB, center O, radius 10, is 14 cm long. So this is the chord. I want to find angle AOB in radian. Okay, so this is not talking about arc length. This is not talking about area of sector. This has nothing to do with the formulas. I repeat, this has nothing to do with the formulas. All right, so is this cosine rule or is this sine rule? Same thing, right? V-shape angle in between. This is a cosine rule. So I'll write down the cosine rule in whether is it degree mode or radian mode is the same formula. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. Whereby your 2BC cos A is the V-shaped angle in between. Okay, it's the same formula. All right, so now your 18, it's your 14 square equals to 10 square plus 10 square minus 2, 10 cos theta. Okay, you have trigo in there. Please go and change your calculator mode now. Okay, everybody go and change your calculator mode now. Shift mode angle unit, right? Then radian. Okay, 10. So same thing, concept-wise, just shift these numbers over first. You get 14 square minus 10 square minus 10 square equals to minus 2, 10 cos theta. Everything else doing it, it's all the same. It's just that your calculator mode need to change only. All right, everything else, it's the same one. So 14 square minus 10 square minus 10 square. This is minus 4 equals to minus 200 cos theta. Same thing, I want to let cos theta stand alone. Cos theta equals to 1 over 50. Theta equals to cosine inverse 1 over 50. So I get theta is 1.550794993. Like that. Okay, can. So this is theta in radian. All right. So don't be shocked if you see something like, hey, how come my degree so small and 1.55 degree? No, this is not in degree. This is in radian mode. Okay. So radian, unlike your degree, round it off to 1 dp. Radian, it's to 3 SF. Like that. Okay. Let me repeat. Radian mode, it's rounded off to 3 SF. And I want an area of segment APB, which is this portion here. So it is important to know what is the difference between segment and sector. Okay? So same thing, you take the whole pizza minus away your triangle. And now, can you tell me what's the formula for the area of pizza? Area, you look at your notes in front. Half R square theta, right or not? This is your area. It's also inside your formula sheet. So I'm going to find the area of pizza. Half R square theta. Theta I've already found it's 1.550794993. Correct or not? I get 77.53974966. This is my whole pizza area of sector. Okay. Next one, area of triangle. Half A B sine theta. This step, it is very important to make sure you change it to radian mode because you got sine in there. Okay, help me press this in radian mode. Give me the final answer. You take the whole pizza minus your triangle. That's it. Okay, give me 1 minute. I go. Anybody got? This triangle, it's 49.98999 right now. Then I take the whole sector. It's 53974966 minus 49.98999. Please try, because this one in radian mode, you need to know how to press your calculator. And you will round it off to 3SF again. This is 25.5 units of this area of sector. It's cm square. Segment, sorry, not sector. Okay, can? So actually for formulas of radian mode questions, it's even easier, you know. It's just r theta and half r square theta, and it's even inside your formula sheet. Concept-wise, all the same, just that all you need to take note of is to remember to change your calculator mode. That's all. That's the most important thing lah. Is that okay? Ken? Okay, come, let's jump on to our tutorial for our radian mode. We haven't done any, right? Okay, I'm gonna give you question 1AB for homework. That one is simple. You're just gonna help me find the area of the segment. Basically, it's just what we did earlier. Okay? All right. Okay, this one, the diagram shows a circle with center O of radius 12. Given that AOB it's 1.15 radian, how to know it's a radian question? They will tell us whether is it in radian or degree one. I want to find the length of the minor arc AB. Minor arc is this one. Okay, I want to find the length of the minor arc AB. What's the formula for arc length? R theta. Very simple. Just R theta. So very easy. R is 12. Theta is 1.15. That's it. Easy or not? 13.8. That's all. Area now. Area of the major sector. Okay. So question. If I want to find this reflex angle, how do I do that? How do I find the reflex angle? It's no longer 360, no. It's how many? What is your 360 degrees in radian mode? Anyone? What is your 360? Very good job, Denzel. It's 2 pi. And 2 pi, does it matter whether I press it in degree or radian mode? It doesn't matter. Your pi value is going to stay the same, 3.14159, whether is it in degree or radian mode. It's going to be the same. Okay, but just to play safe, I'm going to change this to radian once I see that it's a radian question. All right, so it's 2 pi minus 1.15 to find the reflex angle. Pi is the normal pi that we have always been pressing. I get 5.133185307. Okay, area of major sector. Remember, formula is a different one. It's half r square theta. It's 369.5893421. Round it off to 3SF. 370 cm square. It is still in cm square. Is it okay, Ken? Formula-wise, concept-wise, it's all the same. The only difference is your formula. R theta, half r square theta. That's all. All right. Okay, this one. The area of a sector OAB of a circle with center O, it's 90 cm square. Radius, it's 12 cm square. Sorry, the radius is 12. So I'm going to draw it out. This is 12 by 12. The area of sector is 90 cm square. I want to find the perimeter. But before I find the perimeter, what do I need first, guys? Before I start finding the perimeter, what do I need first? Do I have the angle or not? Don't have, right? So can I go and find angle first or not? If not, I don't know what fraction of the pizza that is, ma. Okay, 1 minute. Can you all help me find the angle of this in radian mode. This is all in radian mode. Okay, form your equation. Find out the theta first in radian mode. The formula for area, it's half r square theta, give me 90. So help me work backwards. Help me find theta. Denzel, very good. Well done. Anyone else got it? Theta, I get 1.25 radian. Okay, now I want you to help me find the arc length first. And don't forget, they are looking for perimeter. Is it just the arc length? No, you have to add back your 12 and 12. Okay, help me find the arc length and then add back 12 and 12. Very good job, Denzel. That's right. So arc length is r theta, which is 12 times 1.25. That gives me 15. Don't forget to add back 12 and 12. That is 39. And this one will be in cm. So far, so good. Yeah, formula easy, right? No problem, right? Can Okay, next one. Diagram shows a circle, center O and radius 24. XOY, it's 3 pi over 5 radian. I want to calculate the length of chord XY. Okay, same thing. I want to find what first? This is cosine rule, right? XY, that is your A. So again, I'm going to write down the formula. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, here you go. All right, 2 minutes. Can you help me find the length of XY from here? The 2BC cos A must always form a V-shaped angle in between. Okay, so your small a, it's your XY law. It's always the opposite angle chosen. So your A is your XY square. Your BC is the same, right? Very good job, Denzel. That's correct. Excellent. Your BC is the same, which is your radius. And that is 24 square plus 24 square minus 2. 24 cos 3 pi over 5. Okay? Can? So it's 24 square plus 24 square minus 2, 24 24 cos 3 pi over 5. So your xy square is 1507.987578. Your xy is equals to 38.8328157. Okay, so we'll round it off to 3SF, 38.8 cm. And now I want the area of the shaded region. Same concept again, right or not? Half AB sine C for area of triangle, and then area of sector. So area of sector is even easier. It's just your half R square theta. This is your area of sector already. Half R square theta, which gives me 542.8672. This is your area of sector. Area of triangle, half A, B, sine 3 pi over 5. This step is important. Radian mode. 273.904277. So I'll take area of sector minus away the triangle from there. Am I too fast? I'll get 269 cm square. That's all. Okay, concept-wise, everything same, right? Correct or not? Only formula different. Okay? Let's take a look at the next one. I want to find a major sector. Major, can you all highlight the keyword? Major sector. Major sector means the big one. Once again, I can take total area minus away the minor sector, or I can just one step. What is 360 degrees in radian mode again? That is your 2 pi, right or not? 2 pi. Okay, so if I want to find that major angle, 2 pi minus 3 pi over 8. Just one step. More straightforward. Okay? The pi value, let me repeat, it's the same whether in degree mode or radian mode. Okay? I repeat, the degree mode and radian mode pi is the same thing. So we don't have to worry about that. All right, so I'll take 2 pi minus 3 pi over 8. I get 13 over 8 pi. So this is my 13 over 8 pi. Okay, I want to find the area of the major sector. That will be what? 13 over 8 pi over 360, which is 2 pi, times, no, sorry. Yeah, correct. This is my theta. No need. I'm doing it in degree already. Area formula, it's half R square theta, correct or not? So it's just half. Do we have we forgot to find the radius. Right or not? We missed out something. The minor arc is 24 pi. Okay, can everyone send me the radius first? Okay, I missed that out. Can everyone send me the radius first using your formula? Arc length. What formula? R theta. Correct or not? Very simple. R theta. This 24 pi is your minor arc. Minor arc means your small pizza crust. So it's R times theta, which is 3 pi over 8, gives me 24 pi. Can everyone help me find the value of your R? Can everyone help me find the value of your R? 24 pi divided by 3 pi over 8. How much is that? What is your value of radius? Yep, that's right. Very good job, Denzel. So your radius is 64 cm. Okay, now you can plug it inside your area formula already, which is half R square theta. So 64 square, and take note, I want the major sector. So it's 13 pi over 8, not 3 pi over 8. Okay, how much is this? I get 10455.22 area cm square 3SF 10500 cm square. That's it. Do y'all think that radian it's easier or not? Do y'all think so? Yes, or degree easier? Don't you think radian is easier? Okay, question 6 we did already, is it? Denzel, can you help me check question 6 and 7? Is it we did together, or is it my another class did this? Haven't do, okay. Means another class did this. Okay, question 6, same thing. But this time around, if you take note of ACB, it is not a nice segment, you know. It is just another random shape, right? Okay, so take note of that. I want angle AOB first. I want angle AOB first. Okay, how to find angle AOB? What am I given? Radius 18, OC 10. The length of arc AB, it's 25.2. Okay, with that, everyone, help me go and find my angle AOB. Just one step, very simple. Anyone got the radius? Sorry, angle? Very good job, Denzel. Rian? Michaela? Don't know? What's the formula? R theta, right? Very straightforward one. Radius times theta can already. So my radius, it's 18, my theta, it's unknown. and I want it to be 25.2 arc length. So I just take theta to be how much? Michaela, how much is it? I just take 25.2 divided by 18, I get 1.4. And this is my angle in radian mode. Okay, next one, I want to find the perimeter of the shader. The arc length, you have already found it to be 25.2 already. Can everyone send me what is BC? BC. Very good. That's right, Denzel. So this is the entire radius. This is it. And how do I find AC again? How do I find AC again? Cosine rule again, right? Correct or not? Right? We have done this so many times. So again, A square. So a lot of trigo in here. A square, which is AC square, equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos 1.4. Press your calculator. Make sure it is in radian mode. You get AC, it's 19.04762. Did y'all get that? Okay, this is my AC that I got. Can you help me double check? All right. So they are looking for the parameter. I need AC, CB, AB, everything added up. So my AC, it's 19.04762. CB, it's 8. AB, it's 25.2. Everything add up. I get 52.24762. 3SF again, 52.2 units cm. That's all. Quite easy, right? Okay, last one. I want area of the shader. Same thing. But this time round, your triangle is not an isosceles triangle. That's the only difference. Okay, but concept-wise, it's still the same. Area of sector, half. Remember, this is in radian mode. So it's half r square theta. This is area of your sector. Area of triangle, half A, B. Your A and B, it's not the same value in this case. A, B, sine C. You got trigo coming in. Please take note. Okay. Then this is your triangle. On top, it's your area of sector. Then we subtract them. Okay. Help me work it out, Ken. 2 minutes. Help me work it out. This is 226.8. My triangle, half AB sine C. You see the formulas is all the same one. Then this gives me 88.690477. Area of the whole pizza minus away area of your triangle. I get 138.10952, which I round it off to 138 cm squared. That's all. Okay, can? Anyone facing any difficulties? Any portion that y'all don't understand? No, right? Quite easy, yeah. Okay, I think we can wrap up this chapter today. And then next week, we'll be starting on in a new chapter already, okay? I'll be sending over the notes in the group chat as well. Okay, can? Okay, question 7. Oh, this shape again. So take note, whenever we talk about this shape, this QS of 15 does not represent anything. It is not the radius of the shaded part. Okay, take note, it is not the radius of the shaded part. It does not represent anything. Okay, in the diagram PQ and RS, they are arcs of two circles. Center O, POQ, it's pi over 5 radian. QS, it's 15, and the length of the arc PQ, it's 6 pi. So length of arc PQ, it's 6 pi here. What can we find from here? Any suggestions? I got the arc length, I got the angle. Formula for arc length, it's what? R theta, right? What can I find? Can I find my radius from here? Okay, everyone, help me find OQ, OP. All right, first job, help me find OQ, OP. Let's go. 1 minute, quick one. I want you to help me find OQ and OP, the radius first. Very good job. Well done. Okay, formula very simple. Radius times theta equals to 6 pi, the arc length. So my R is equals to 6 pi divided by pi over 5, which I will get 30 over here. So this is 30, 30, meaning my big radius is 45. Correct not? So I want a radius of sector OPQ, that is my 30 cm. Perimeter of the shaded region can be expressed as this. I don't want the exact, sorry, I want the exact, I don't want it in decimals. Okay, I want it in that form. So can y'all help me find PQ? Oh no, PQ don't need to find. PQ found already, 6 pi. Can y'all help me find RS? Your radius is 45. Theta, it's pi over 5. I get 9 pi. Okay, so your parameter will be 9 pi plus 6 pi plus 15 plus 15. Don't forget about your two sides. I will get 30 plus 15 pi. Just leave it as this exact. Don't need to press. Okay, just leave it as this. Don't need to press because they want it in this format. All right. That's all. Easy or not? Okay, next one. Okay, I have something slightly different now. Okay, I have OQR. It's a sector of a circle with center O, radius 15. So this is also my radius. This is my sector of my pizza. Okay. PR it's equals to 35, meaning I know that this is 20. And I got this as 0.75 radian. You will help me find the angle inside your pizza. I want to find the length of the arc QR. QR arc, which is this one. Okay, I'm not going to help you all with this, You are going to help me with this. All right, just 2 quick minutes. Help me find the angle. Help me plug it inside the formula. You should be able to find the length of arc. All right, 2 minutes. Wow, Denzer, very fast. Rian and Michaela, I'm waiting for you. How do I find this angle here first? Wait. Denzel, your wait. Okay, yeah, that's your angle. One straight line, it's 180 degrees, right? And 180 degrees, it's equivalent to how many pi radian? That is 1 pi, correct? So to find angle QOR, I'll take pi minus 0.75, which gives me 2.391592654. This is my theta. Rian, 为什么那么大的？ Length of arc QR so big R theta only leh, my dear. Your R is 15, your theta is 2.391592654. You pressed again. Did you get 43 still? I get 35.9 only leh. Right, not. Press calculator, press wrong. Okay, so be careful. After that, from here, this is 35.9. Then what else do I want? The one that's my part A already. Area of the shaded. I want to find the whole pizza again. And then do what? Minus away my area of the triangle one more time. Same thing. Okay, just focus on that area of sector that I highlighted first. All right, can y'all help me with that? 3 steps. Area of sector, half r squared theta. Area of triangle, half AB sine C minus. So do y'all get the area of shaded or not? Area of the sector first, it's half R square theta this is your area of sector. Then area of triangle, half AB sine C. Then we minus. So my pizza is this. My triangle is this. Then I just subtract them, no? I get 192.3698. Okay, then you have to round it off to 3SF, 192 cm squared. This is your area. All right. Then the next part, they are looking for area of triangle POQ. So I move on to another portion here already. POQ, it's here. Okay, same thing, angle, V-shape, angle in between. But this time round, it's not an isosceles. So where should your V-shape be at? The 20, 15, and 0.75, right? Because that's the only angle that you have, ma. So for part C, it's half A, B, sine 0.75. This. Which is 102.245814, 102 cm squared. Okay, last one, they are looking for PQ. Okay, should we use sine rule or cosine rule from here? Send me sine or cosine. Okay, my question was, should we use sine rule or cosine rule from here? Denzel, good. Okay, it should be a cosine rule. So I'll get PQ square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine 0.75. Like this. How many press? Remember, calculator mode for this, it's important. .13.6376933. I'll round it off to 3SF, 13.6 cm. That is my PQ. Is it okay? So far, so good? Can? Good, Okay, come, this one. We saw something similar for this figure in our degree questions also, correct or not? And what did we say about this kind of question? We will split the quadrilateral to what? We'll split this quadrilateral to two right angle triangle, isn't it? Okay, and these two right angle triangle, they are identical. Okay, they are identical. I want to find out AOB. So can we look at one triangle first? Let's just focus on one triangle. Okay, so if this is 1.34, can you all help me work out what is the value of angle ATO? Angle ATO. I divide by 2, I get 0.67 radian, right? Correct or not? And since I'm working with right angle triangle, can I think of sine rule or cosine rule or cannot? Can I think about sine rule or cosine rule or cannot? Cannot, right? Because right angle triangle, I can only think about Picasso. So this is my opposite. I want to find, no, sorry, I want angle. Angle I can find already, no need Picasso one. How? I just take 180 minus, but 180 in pi is what? Pi, correct or not? So I'll just take pi minus 90. What is 90 in radian mode? Yes, very good job, Rian. It's pi over 2 minus 0.67. That is your angle AOT. I get this. Okay, but I want angle AOB. I have to take 2 of this value here. I get 1.801592654. And angles, it's rounded off to 3SF for radian mode. This is it. Okay, now I want TAR. This is where my Picasso comes in. Okay, so this is my opposite and I want my adjacent. So OA. OA is what? Twa. Ka. So. Twa, right? OA is twa, right? So tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Cross multiply. AT times tangent 0.67, it's 15. AT equals to 15 divided by 0.67. Cannot press it in your fraction mode. You must press 15 divided by tangent 0.67 like that. 18.93331771. This is your AT, 18.9 cm. Am I too fast? Is anyone lost? Michaela, Rianne, okay? Can I? Denzel, no problem, Okay, now I want a parameter of shaded. You guys are gonna help me with this. We have already got AT and that's the same as BT, right? So now you're gonna help me with finding AB. AB is easy. AT you already get, but do not take your rounded off answer. So I need to times 2 of it because I got ATTB. And that gives me 37.86663543. That is for your AT plus TB. Okay, now you need to find your arc AB. Help me find this arc AB. Okay, 1 minute, and then help me add it up. Send me the final answer in 3SF. Arc length AB plus R theta. Theta, we found it in part 1 already. That is 27.02388981. That is your arc length AB. Okay, then you got your ATTB, which is 37 point something. So you just have to add this two up. You get 64.8905, which you round it off to 64.9 cm. That's all. Okay, and finally, I want the area of the shaded region. Shaded region, how to find? We can look at it in a triangle first. Okay, we'll look at it in a triangle first. All right, I'll look at ATO. How to find area of ATO, the whole triangle. The AT I already found, right? 18.9333. So if I want to find triangle ATO, it's half times 15 times 18.9333. Half times base times height, ma? $141.99975. This is my area of triangle. And then I need to minus away this pizza, right? Correct or not? So what is your angle AOT? Go and look back at your working. Help me find the area of the sector. You take triangle minus the sector, you get part of the shaded, half of the shaded rather. Then you just times 2. Did y'all find the angle that y'all found? AOT, not AOB, AOT is 0.9007. Okay, so formula for area of sector, half R square theta. This is your area of the shaded pizza only, So it's 101.3395868. So this is just that area of pizza. Don't forget, you still need to take area of triangle minus away your area of the pizza. to give you half of the shaded area. Okay. Last but not least, help me find the total area of the shaded part. So this 40.66 is just this portion. So I got 2 of it, because the triangle is exactly half one. So I'll take 40.66, 0.16 times 2 of it. I get 81.3203, 26, 81.3 cm squared. Rounded off to 3SF. That's all. Okay. And all right. Can y'all help me try out question 10 and question 1 for homework? And then I will wrap up this chapter of radian mode, arc length, arc sector. We are done already. Okay, so help me just finish up question 1 and question 10 for homework. Question 1 is really easy lah. All right. We have done so many questions on radian. Formula-wise, it's really easy. Just you need to make sure that it's your calculator mode must be correct. Okay, now do me a favor. Help me change your calculator mode back to degree first. If not, later on, you do other trigo question, then all wrong. Okay, Ken. Next week, we will be starting on, of course, we will finish up this homework corrections first. Okay, and then we will be starting on congruency and similarity test. All right, back to the congruence and similar triangle, which I'm going to send the notes in the group chat to now. Wait, this is Tuesday. Okay, I've already sent the notes inside the group chat. Please go and take a look, print it out if you need to. All right, and then help me finish up question 1 and question 10 of the radian measures today. Okay, Ken? Homework, question 1 and 10 of radian measures, arc length of radian measures. Correct. Okay, Ken? Any questions from me or not for today? Are y'all getting the radian one already? Easier, right? So formulas for radian, it's inside your formula sheet. You can derive it from your degree. Basically, 1 pi, it's 180. For degree, it's not inside your formula sheet, but concept-wise, it's really easy. Theta over 360 times pi r squared to find your area of sector. Theta over 360 times pi d to find your arc length, your breadth. Okay, Ken? That's all from me today. Tomorrow is a public holiday, so enjoy your holiday. And another 2 or 3, 2 more days, is it? It's school holidays already. Okay? Wow, I see all the happy face from Rihanna. Okay, Ken, so enjoy your public holiday tomorrow. And of course, your June holidays that it's coming up. All right? But of course, at the same time, don't forget to do your revision, and we'll be continue to work hard in June holidays. All right. Thank you so much, Michaela, Denzel, and Rianne. I'll see you all next week, same time. Ken? Thank you. See you. Have a good rest. Bye. Bye-bye.